48 lessons, one prompt. Claude read the API docs, found a way in, and rewrote every one of them. I never touched a lesson. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike Lee all day from On Point Technology Solutions out here in the Bay Area. Today, we are going to just watch AI take over my browser and do some edits for me while I'm just sitting here watching it. So I wanted to kind of show you guys how much AI can actually do and what it can do and whatnot. So let's watch it and enjoy the show. Let me just click a couple things and see what's starting to look like on the screen. Supposedly it's supposed to re-edit all these things that I wrote in here. They don't look that good. So let me see what it can do. All right. So I'm just watching it and I am chilling. Let me instruct it to do something else. So I'm here. Let me see if I can show you both kind of what we're doing. It's trying to do some API stuff, but I was going to tell it, hey, just use the browser. And basically it's just connected to the GoHighLevel. So you know what? It's going to go through this API method first. I'm going to let it try, but I don't think that's the right method, but it's fine. We're just going to let it try and see if it can do it. If not, I might instruct it to maybe just do it on the browser itself. Maybe that is the best way to handle the situation. There's always a lot of different ways to handle situations, but like I said, here's just one way, and you know, I asked it to do something, kind of went off and did something else, but maybe it could do this the API way and it'll save it much more time, because then it can just come back in there and just do it, right? So I think that is a good thing. Let's see what it can figure out. So far it's taken 13 minutes to do this action, and technically hasn't done anything yet. Come on, AI, show me what you can do. Show me you can do some cool stuff. Tell me you can do this. Come on, man. It's going through this API method. I don't know if it can figure it out yet. All right. Hey, what has it been doing, guys? I just left for like 10 minutes. I don't know what it's been doing, but I think it's been doing it. Damn, it has been. I don't know what it did. Let's see. We're gonna go back and take a look. Real work. Let me see the payload. I have the shape, plain text. It looks like it found the skill to do it. 48 lessons, HTML, plain text, real to do. Boom. Wow. Look at that, guys. I know there was a little bit of a cut in between some of this. I'll keep some of it, kind of show you guys what it was doing running, right? So you guys have to see it to believe it sometimes. And we're just prompting, you know, a couple little small things, and we're able to really get a lot out of this right now. So cannot believe it just did all this. So essentially what it did was it went to my membership portal in GoHighLevel, and it's going through the courses and making the text all correct and stuff. So now that it's working correctly, see, it's just a little bit nicer, a little bit better. Hey, and at the same time, I got some onboarding videos going on right now. Oh, these guys look handsome. Okay, so I'm running another workflow too. I just wanted to take a look at that. Got my little drink right here, a little strawberry, pineapple, jasmine tea. Everything looking nice right now. This is really cool stuff that we're working on. That actually looks pretty good, but I'm more worried about the membership right now. Kind of just wanted to kind of go through that and see what we can make out of all this. Life is good with AI. Imagine someone had to go through all this and formatted it again. It would take a long time. Look at us. We're only 20 minutes into this video right now on the time clock right here on my side. And this is amazing. Looks like we're 30 minutes in. My video is 20. This says 30, so I don't know who to believe. Oh, we started this a little bit earlier. So this has been 30 minutes. My beginning workflow was I want you to go into the membership course in my browser and check it all out and pretty much edit the sections H1 and H2 and all that good stuff. Make everything make sense and lay it out easier, right? That's literally all I told it to do. It went and did all that stuff and figured it out. And I'm just gonna let it run. It's on auto. And we're gonna check out the end results in a little bit. I don't want to play with it until it kind of like finishes this thing, right? So let us do its thing and we just hang out, checking out this AI stuff, sipping on tea. But I mean, already the first one looks pretty good. I'm thinking it's doing it by API, right? So we're gonna click on these. This is not done yet. Not done yet. Okay. I got juice over one of them. We'll just bring it back over here.
The first time to say it. Want you to know that patent your stuff. That what happened.
I think it's just pushing one script into it all and doing it all at once. So that's actually pretty. Earlier it told me it couldn't do this, so I think it just read the API docs this time and took a chance and made it work. Hope you guys are enjoying this. If you guys want to watch more work get done using AI, follow, like, and subscribe. This is your boy Mike Lay all day from On Point Tech Solutions, and we're just out here working. But yeah, sometimes watching the AI is boring, so we do have multiple things going on, but let's see. Let's take a look. It just refreshed. Oh, wow. Yeah. It did do exactly what it... Boom. Clean. Let's go. AI, baby. Wow. Sure did everything, huh? That's the transformation. Let me confirm the client course and that link's render. I'm ready to rock and roll. Look at this, guys. Ready to go. Book your onboarding call here. What? I don't even know what that link is about. What are they talking about? Did it really put my link in there too? Man, I'm juiced. Gonna go through this and check it out. This just made my life easier. Just imagine I had to pay a virtual assistant for something like this, right? I got Claude code right here. Working hard for using some tokens, but not even that much. This is amazing. You guys don't understand how much time this saved, but it could have been done beforehand and done on the first shot. So that also could have saved me a little bit of time and tokens, right? So, and round trip is byte identical. Let me verify the script actually works end to end. Since I referenced once in the save file. Look at that. After snapshotting to the repo, so this is reproducible. So it's going to remember how to do all this because actually my Claude is trained to remember these things. What an amazing time to be alive, guys. I'm not going to kid you guys. This makes a busy entrepreneur life much easier and able to do quite a lot. So let me just go through it and check out my courses here. So it did the on point and it did the welcome. So let's go through this one. Perfect. Let's go through this random one right here. Wow, it's perfect. See, and now I just got to make some videos and stick them in here. Amazing. I'm excited, guys. Can you see all these? Hey, it says do the other one too. Ready. So I'm going to have this one going right now. There's this one that I made. This is actually a full-on course. So let's see what it comes up with. My course is already kind of pre-made. It has already something like I built, and it's a course that I've had AI help me put together. But it's a course based on the knowledge of what we do here at On Point Tech Solutions. So I'm excited to check it out and see how the AI organized my brain, right? So this is a little bonus for you guys, just to see the same action that we just did, but it's going to be much faster this time because it has this workflow that's made already. So now it's going to be much faster than what you had seen before. So earlier we spent almost 30 something minutes on it, maybe even 40 minutes on it, since this video is currently about at 33 minutes. And right now this just started about a minute and a half. So let's chill and see what it can produce for us today. Just looking at my curriculum. So I was taking a look at my course. It knows this one is not as filled out, but it did have a lot to say about each one. And let's see what this pulls out. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm just going to create the curriculum, and then I'm going to shoot the video. And then once I shoot the video, I'm going to have it updated with the video with what I said. So that way it's more congruent with my lesson. So that's how I'm going to create my videos while having a structure to my course. All right, building a file. There's a lot in this, okay? So there's eight modules, many lessons. I don't know how many lessons, 39 lessons. So we're gonna see what it cooks for. Backing up before state, then pushing. I cannot believe this sometimes, but you gotta see it to believe it. Boom, it looked like it worked. Look, it even checking it for me. Double checking, make sure it's good. Please check twice for me. But it did render exactly what it needed to do. So I'm happy there. I'm very happy. If you guys can give me a shout out, a like, subscribe, whatever, follow me, join my membership, whatever the case is, come hang out and, get to meet us and see, all these great AI things that are happening. The world's moving fast. You gotta learn this fast. But it looks like it's done. I'm gonna check it myself. And yeah, cool. Let's take a look. Prompt like an operator. I'm just gonna check random ones. And they are finished. Amazing. They were looking not so good earlier with actually no ideas or anything. And now it's all become a class. This is amazing. So, cannot believe that all happened. Super amazing. Let's go. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll talk soon.